Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through a really fun and easy way to personalize your Wix Studio site by changing the cursor. Yes, that tiny arrow that moves around when someone visits your site. Customizing your cursor isn't just about aesthetics. It's a unique touch that tells your visitors you pay attention to every little detail. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to update the cursor in Wix Studio, making your site feel more interactive and truly your own. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to locate the Inspector pane. If you're new to Wix Studio, the Inspector pane is where you can adjust many properties for elements on your site, kind of like a control panel for the creative side of things. You should see it on the right side of your editor. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with it. Understanding where these options are is going to make customizing your site a breeze. Next up, scroll down in the Inspector pane until you find the cursor sections. It's easy to overlook because it's not always at the very top, but once you spot cursor, you're in the right place. This is the section where you'll be able to switch out the usual arrow for something a bit more expressive. Changing the cursor can add a sense of playfulness or sophistication, depending on what you pick. Think of it as changing your site's handshake for visitors. Now, let's focus on how you actually choose the cursor. In the cursor sections, you'll see a media option. Go ahead and click that. This is your gateway to picking a new cursor. Wix offers a variety of free cursors right here. Things like colorful dots, hand-drawn arrows, or even quirky shapes. If you're feeling creative and already have a custom cursor designed, there's an option to upload your own as well. However, for this demo, let's keep things simple and just pick one of Wix's built-in selections. Browse through the options until one jumps out at you. Maybe it's something bold or something subtle, depending on your site's vibe. When you find the perfect one, click to select it. You'll usually get a small preview, which is super helpful to visualize how it'll look in action. Then, hit Add to Site. Once you do this, the cursor is set up for your visitors. It's a quick process, but feel free to take your time exploring the choices. Sometimes it can really spark ideas for other parts of your design. Quick note here. You might notice that your own cursor hasn't changed inside the editor. Don't worry, this is totally normal. The cursor change is meant specifically for your site's visitors, not for your editing experience. Think of it like setting up decorations in a room. You're arranging everything for your guests, even if you don't see it change while you're working. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've given your Wix Studio site a personal touch that sets it apart. Customizing your cursor can make your website more inviting or memorable. It's those small details that often stick with people. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about Wix Studio or web design in general. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward creative tutorials like this one. I'm here to help you every step of the way. See you next time.